Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to give you guys 10 websites that you can go sign up for right now to begin putting some easy extra money in your pocket. And when I say easy, I mean it's not going to get any simpler than this, guys. Now, as I roll out these sites, the amount of money that you can make on each one will increase. So you want to make sure that you watch till the end so that you don't miss any information. Now, the first website you can go sign up for is called 2Captcha. Now, 2Captcha.com is a website that literally pays you to solve captchas. And if you don't know what a captcha is, you know, every time you're browsing a website and all of a sudden you get a pop-up that says, hey, tell me what pictures are all bicycles in order to let you move on to the next page, those are captchas. Now, once you get signed up for this website, 2Captcha will pay you $1 for every 1,000 captchas that you solve. And you may be asking yourself, well, why would they pay for something like this? It's because they're trying to test out the captchas to make sure they work correctly, because they're trying to keep spam off of websites. And though this isn't life-changing money, it certainly is not going to get any easier than this. Number 2 on my list today is a research company named Prolific. Now, this website is looking for people to take surveys for major universities who are conducting some type of research. Now, where Prolific really stands out is how much they are willing to pay for your services. Right now, researchers are paying a minimum of $8 an hour and up to $12 an hour to take these surveys. And considering you can do all that from the comfort of your own home, sounds pretty prolific to me. Now, the third website on my list today is Nielsen Computer and Mobile. Now, Nielsen gives you a chance at truly passive income. Once you get signed up, all you need to do is download the app to either your smartphone or your computer, and then Nielsen will collect data about your browsing history and exactly how you use your devices. Now, don't worry, they don't collect any personal information like usernames or passwords, but if we're also being perfectly honest, most of the apps you have currently downloaded to your devices are already collecting your data and you don't get anything from it. At least now you can get paid for it. Now, currently you can expect Nielsen to pay you $60 a year for that information. However, they also enter you into a monthly sweepstakes where you can win up to $10,000. Coming in at number 4 on my list today is a company called Savvy Connect. Now, Savvy Connect is similar to Nielsen in the sense that they're looking to collect your data on your browsing history every time you're surfing the internet. Now, the biggest reason you want to use Savvy Connect is because you can make even more money. They're going to pay you $5 for each device when you download the app. So if you have a smartphone, tablet, and a laptop, you can expect to get paid $180 a year for doing something you're already going to do anyway. Doesn't get much more passive than that. The 5th website that you need to visit to earn some extra money is Listverse. Now, Listverse is a website that pays you for, you guessed it, creating top 10 lists. As an example, top 10 fascinating facts in first of historical bank robberies, or the top 10 creepiest unsolved mysteries of the internet. Once you sign up, go ahead and create your list, write 1 or 2 paragraphs on each section of your list, and then submit it to them for review. If they select your article to publish, they will pay you $100. So hypothetically speaking, if you were able to get 1 article accepted per day, you'd be looking at over $3,000 per month. And because you know I love you guys so much, I'm going to give you a little tip on how to knock these out. Our friend ChatGPT is real good at creating lists and writing articles. Now, the 6th website on my list today is a company called Webull. Now, Webull is an investment broker company similar to TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, or E-Trade, where you can buy and sell stocks on the open market. Now, unlike most brokers, which require you to buy at least 1 full share of any stock that you're purchasing, Webull allows you to buy fractional shares. So let's just say you wanted a share of Apple, but you don't have a full $185 to buy 1 full share. You could just put up $50, for example, if that's all you have, and buy that fraction of Apple to put into your portfolio. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. Well, Joshua, that's all well and good, but how am I supposed to make any money off of this? Well, if you sign up for a new account and deposit any amount of money, Webull is going to give you 12 free shares that could be valued up to $36,000. And honestly, this should be a no-brainer for everybody. You could deposit 5 cents and end up with $36,000 in free shares of a stock. It's free. Now, to get signed up to get your free shares of stock, make sure you use the link that I provide in the description box down below. Now, this next site definitely makes it a lot easier than some companies to put some extra money in your pocket. Number 7, Validately. Validately is a site that will pay you to test out other websites and apps. Now, in prior videos, when I discuss websites like this, you normally would get signed up and then you have to go through all of the tests that they currently have available and apply. And then hopefully they select you. Well, with Validately, you don't have to worry about any of that. They're going to email you directly once you qualify for a testing. Now, that just saves you a lot of time and energy. Once you get signed up and begin receiving those emails, Validately is going to pay you a minimum of $10 for just 10 to 15 minutes of your time. $40 an hour just dropped to your email. Not bad. This next one's for all my property owners who own a piece of land. Check out this website, HipCamp. Now this website is just like Airbnb, except it's for people that want to go camping. So for those looking for some adventure and they need somewhere to pull up the RV, set up a camp and do the whole outdoors thing, they will come to this website and look for owners who own some land to allow them to set up shop. Now, according to HipCamp, people are making anywhere between $9,000 to $21,000 a year just to rent out their land. So if you're a person that owns a nice piece of land, you might as well rent it out and put some extra money in your pocket, because after all, it's just sitting there. Number 9 is for all my people who have excellent credit, and as a result, you got some credit cards with some pretty high limits as well. TradelineSupply.com. Now, a trade line is when somebody with either no credit or bad credit is looking to reestablish themselves and they're trying to piggyback off somebody with good credit. As an example, if you're a person with excellent credit, in all likelihood, you also have credit cards that have high limits because you have excellent payment history with them. And if I'm a person looking to rebuild my credit, if you add me as an authorized user on that credit card, my credit report will be updated and sharing all the excellent history that you've established. This strategy would then help boost my credit score, and then I can go apply for other credit cards, helping me reestablish my own credit. And I know some people will think that this is risky due to the fact that the bank will send out an additional credit card with that person's name attached as an authorized user. However, the bank sends the card directly to you, so that person will never receive the card with their name on it. Also keep in mind that this person is only going to be an authorized user on your account for a limited time. Once your credit card history updates to their credit report, they would then go apply for their own credit cards, at which time you can then remove them from your account completely. Now, TradelineSupply.com is the leading site to facilitate the transaction between both yourself and the person looking to repair their credit. Now, depending on how old your card is and also the limit, you can expect to earn anywhere between $100 to $500 for every authorized user that you add to that card. Now, the 10th website on my list today can be used for numerous different hustles. Head on over to TaskRabbit.com. Now, on TaskRabbit.com, you can sign up to become a tasker and get hired for a multitude of odd jobs that you don't mind doing. As an example, someone might be looking for help for IKEA assembly, run some errands, do some yard work, help moving, furniture assembly, and everything pays a decent hourly rate. Now, the job that sticks out to me and requires absolutely no skill at all, and I could have used this myself back in the day, is waiting in line. Guys, you can get paid $24 an hour just to wait in line for somebody. And I know some of you may be thinking, well, why would anybody ever hire me to wait in line? Well, I happen to be an expert in this subject because I've been doing this for the last 20 years. Well, for starters, how about to buy the shoe that costs $200 in the store, but you can now flip it for $10,000? That seems like a good reason to hire somebody to wait in line for you. And for those who are wondering, I myself camped out for this pair that's on screen right now, and I got a couple of pairs. Now, I do hope you guys take this information, run with it, and put some extra money in your pocket. Before you get out of here, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free and leave those down below. I thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time.